Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk with Hands, where we learn ASL together. In today's video, we are learning ASL pronouns word like you, me, I, she, they, them, and we know the rest. Remember, as you're watching this video, keep signing with me. That way you improve in your ASL skills. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. Moreover, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload more ASL videos. And without further ado, let's get started. You is pretty easy. You have your index finger pointing at the person. Me or I. This time you have the index finger pointing at yourself, right? Me. She, he, or it. So you still have your index finger, but this time instead of pointing the person or pointing at yourself, you're pointing away from you, right? She. It's like you're pointing at another person or another thing, right? She or he. We or us. This time have your index finger, take it from the right side, right? And you do like a semicircle to the left side, like this. We. You see some people do us as in you, and they do this. Us. Us. We or us. They or them. They or them. This time, you still have your index finger and you're pointing like a group of people, right? Instead of pointing just directly, that is she, he, or it, you do this like you're pointing at a lot of people. So you do they or them, or you do this, they, like a group of people, right? They or them or they or them. So now let's move on to possessive pronouns. My or mine. It's mine. My is one tap, while mine is double tap. Mine. Your. You see half your palm flat like this. So this time you do it towards that person, right? Your. And for yours is double tap towards the person. Yours. So see half your hand flat like this and you do a double tap towards the person. Yours. Mine. Yours. Hers or his or its. See half your palm flat like this and you're moving it away from yourself or directly to the person. You just do it on the side. Hers. Hers, right? Remember she, he, you have your index finger. For hers or his, you have your palm flat like this. So hers. His. Our. Our. You have your palm slightly curved like this and you take it from the right side. If you're a lefty, you do it from the left side, right? But I'm a righty, so I do it from the right side and I just curve it like a semicircle over to the left side, like we, but this time you have your palm out like this and you do ours. Theirs. Theirs. So for theirs, you still have your palm flat like this, and this time you're showing multiple people, right? It's theirs. So instead of doing hers, which is like one person, you're doing theirs, which is a lot of people, right? A group of people. Theirs. Myself. Myself. So have your hand in an A sign like this and you tap on yourself twice. Myself. Yourself. Still have your hand in the A sign like this and you do a double forward motion, right? Yourself. So myself, yourself, herself or himself. So you still have the A sign and you're pointing it away from you twice, right? Themselves. Still having your hand in the A sign and you're doing this tap that kind of shows multiple people, right? And you're moving your hand as you're doing it. Themselves, right? Themselves. Showing a group of people. Themselves. Two of us. Two of us. So you have two and you're doing it like back and forth, like you're showing the person and yourself. Two of us. Or if you're telling someone and you're indicating that it's another person but it's you and the person, right? You say two of us. Two of us. either the two of us, or him and I, or she and I. Two of us. If it's three of us, you do three, and you do this. Three of us, right? Three of us. So you do like a circular motion with the three number. Three of us. You're doing this circle, kind of like pointing the two other people plus yourself. Three of us. So four of us is the same thing. Four of us. If it's four of us, excluding the person you're talking to, you do four of us. Four of us, or three of us, or two of us, right? The same goes for five of us. If you're still watching this video, give me a double love sign. So right now, let's move on to some practice sentences to apply these pronouns words we just learned, right? I'm learning ASL. You are my friend. He is happy. We love ASL. They are teachers. I did it myself. They went to school themselves. They went to school themselves. So right now, I'm going to sign some phrases using the pronouns, and I want you all to comment down below all the phrases that I just learned.